Hey, it's Diana from Toronto Platinum Realty team. Today I want to talk about Airbnb properties because we don't often talk about it. Usually when we talk about rental income producing properties, we're usually talking about regular tenants. But Airbnbs can be a very lucrative business, and I myself have really good experience with them. And so I want to share some of the pros and cons with you. First things first, depending on where you are, what province you are, what country you're on, you're going to have to check some of the restrictions with your city to make sure that you have the right permits. So get that out of the way. Some of the advantages is you will get a lot more per night than you would on a regular tenancy agreement. So you would just make a lot more money. So let's say on average, $1,500 is what you could earn on your rental income. With an Airbnb, you may be able to get that to $3,000 if you do it right. That's one of the advantages. Another one is you're not long-term tenants. You're not stuck with them, and you're not subject to the same tenancy rules that you would be with regular tenancy agreement. So if you don't like your tenants, that's fine. They're gonna leave. And then you can also use your space, not for just Airbnb overnight stays, but now they're doing all these creative things like studios, filming, video shoots, model shoots. So there's a ton of areas where you could look at and try to make your property into an income producing property, and you could be very, very creative. But you do have to make sure that your place looks really nice, it's very appealing, and you have to kind of pick a niche. You can't be everything to everyone. So some of the drawbacks are you're in the hospitality business. Okay, so this is not a regular landlord and tenant relationship. You are hosting a group of people that are there for vacation. So you need to make sure your place looks nice, it's professionally cleaned. There are Airbnb cleaners that specialize for these types of properties. You want to make sure you're hiring the right people. You're having nice decorations, nice furniture, it's staged properly. So these are the things you're going to have to make sure that you take care of. Now there will be some tax implications. It's going to be income. You're going to have to claim that. You need to speak to your accountant about that. And the last thing is you have to take into consideration quieter months. So there will be months like, for example, in Toronto, January and February tend to be a lot quieter, whereas the summer months or Christmas will be a lot busier. So take that into consideration and make sure you're budgeting properly. Again, make sure you're speaking to a tax or tax accountant or a lawyer to make sure that your taxes are in line. But other than that, it's a really great tool you can use, great way to make money on your properties. If you have any questions and you want to talk about this, send me a DM or leave me a comment below, and I'd love to share with you.